Yawning. Yawning is a universal human behavior that we often do involuntarily, especially when we're tired or bored. While the exact purpose of yawning remains unclear, scientists believe it might help regulate brain temperature, increase alertness, and promote social bonding. Interestingly, yawning can be contagious, as seeing or hearing someone else yawn can trigger our own yawn reflex. This phenomenon may serve as a synchronization mechanism within social groups, helping individuals coordinate their alertness levels and maintain group cohesion.